Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about mammals, warm-blooded animals with hair or fur, and mothers that feed milk to their young. We will also see how animals are classified into various groups like egg-laying, pouched mammals, or placental mammals. So stay focused and let's explore the amazing world of mammals together. First of all, we have to know the general characteristic features of mammals. Their body is covered with hair or fur. They have skin glands like sweat, oil, and scent glands. They have mammary glands. Females feed babies with milk. External ears or pinna present in mammals. In mammals, eyes with eyelids and they are often with eyelashes. They have nictitating membrane, which is also known as third eyelid, is tiny or vestigial. Their diaphragm divides chest and abdomen. Mammals are warm-blooded or basically endothermic. Their RBCs are round. There is no nucleus or they are biconcave. Their heart is four-chambered and strong. Their brain is large and with folded cerebrum. They have a big cerebellum. They have one urinary bladder, the testes in scrotum outside the body. They are so internal fertilization most give birth to live young like viviparous. Skull, they have two occipital condyles in their skull. There is no quadrate bone in their skull. Their vertebrae are acillous type, that it has flat ends. Their different types of teeth or heterodont dentition is found among them. Their teeth are set in sockets, so their dentition is called thecodont, and two sets of teeth arise in their life, which is called as diphyodont. Molars have three cusps. Kidneys are metanephric type, and they have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Scheme of mammalian classification. Mammals can be classified broadly into two subclasses, Prototheria and Theria, and the Theria subclass can be divided into Metatheria and Eutheria. And under the subclass Prototheria, there is a single order which is known as Monotremata, examples Platypus and Echidna. Under Theria, infraclass Metatheria, it includes one order which is Marsupialia and examples kangaroo, koala, etc. Infraclass Eutheria includes four different types of cohort. First one is the Unguiculata, second one is the Glides, third one is the Mutica, and fourth one is the Ferangulata. So Unguiculata includes six different types of orders like Chiroptera, Dermoptera, Edentata, Insectivora, Pholidota, and primates. Glides includes Rodentia and Lagomorpha. Mutica includes Cetacea. Ferangulata includes Carnivora, Tibulidentata, Hydacoidea, Proboscidea, Sirenia, Perissodactyla, and Artiodactyla. So all of the orders have different examples. Now we should start Prototheria. The key features include females lay eggs, testes are located inside the abdomen, their cloaca opens for urine, sperm and waste. The ribs have single head, mammary glands without nipples, no external ears are there. Babies have teeth but adults don't. Only living order is Monotremata and others are extinct. These are the image of the Prototherian animals. Monotremata or egg-laying mammals. They are only group of egg-laying or oviparous mammals indigenous to Australia and New Guinea with two extant families and their species. Their key characters include body with soft hair or spines. They webbed feet with claws. They have small external ear. Males have poison spur but brain has no corpus callosum. Tail may be present or absent. Eggs are large. Cleavage is partial. Long sticky tongue. Pectoral girdle like reptiles. Dental formula is incisor 0/5, canine 1/1, premolar 2/2 and molar 3/3. Their body temperature varies from 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and their examples include Ornithorhynchus or Platypus, Echidna or Spiny Anteater, etc. Subclass Theria give birth to young ones, so they have no eggs. Their mammary glands have nipples. Their external ear present. Their ureters open into bladder. They have anus. Their testes always present. Their testis is located in scrotum. Their ribs have two heads. They have two infraclasses, Metatheria and Eutheria. Infraclass Metatheria, which includes marsupials, young, born, immature, grow in pouch or marsupia, mammary glands with teats inside pouch, epipubic bone supports to pouch, placenta is simple like choriovitelline placenta, order Marsupialia, body is covered with soft fur, well developed ear. Females usually have pouch, long tail for balance. Second and third toes join in skin, so they are called as syndactylous. Forelimbs are shorter than hind limbs. Dental formula I 5 by 4, canine C 1 by 1, premolar 3 by 3, and molar 4 by 4. Tail vertebrae with chevron bones. Example: kangaroo, opossum, koala, wombat. Infraclass youth area. Babies born well developed. They have complex placenta like allantoic placenta. Their well developed brain with corpus callosum. They have separate anus and urogenital openings. The tympanic bulla is present. Dental formula I 3 by 3, C 1 by 1, premolar 4 by 4, and molar 3 by 3, but it may vary in different groups of animals. There is no epipubic bone. These are the examples, images of the placental mammals or eutherian mammals. Now, Eutheria can be divided into four cohorts. The first cohort is Unguiculata, which is known as nails or claws. It includes 6 different orders: Chiroptera, Dermoptera, Edentata, Insectivora, Pholidota, and primates. So their characteristics include forelimbs formed of wings, digits long, support wing membrane, membrane also between legs and tail, which is called as interfemoral. Pollex or thumb is free with claw. They are weak hind limbs with claws. They have good ears, nocturnal, and they use echolocation. They have flat ribs fused with vertebra. Their knee are points backward. Testis is abdominal. One baby is at a time. Sternum with keel for muscle attachment. Example: fruit bat, vampire bat, horseshoe bat, etc. Dermoptera or gliding mammals. The key characters include they are basically herbivorous, tree living, and like big squirrels. They have lower incisors, which are comb-like. Their broad skin folds are used for gliding, but not they have true wings. They have a primitive brain structure. Edentata, toothless or reduced teeth. Key characters: no incisors, and canines and molars are simple. No enamel or roots, often open pulp cavity. So they have sticky tongue, small skull, zygomatic arch is reduced or absent. Strong smell senses. Clavicle is present but coracoid bone is fused. Ischium joint with tail vertebra. Extra joints in vertebrae. Example: armadillo, giant eater, sloth, etc. On the order Insectivora, which are insect eaters. Their hairy body, sometimes spines. Their long snout. They are active at night. Skull is narrow in middle. Zygomatic arch and palate is incomplete. Their molar teeth is sharp. They have 5 clawed digits. They are basically plantigrade walking is found among them. The small or absent cecum. The testis inside, so though no scrotum is there, the bicornuate uterus is found in among them insectivores. There are many nipples along belly. The examples: mole, shrew, hedgehog, etc. Pholidota or scaly mammals. Body is covered with overlapping scales, few hairs in between, and hairy underside. Small eyes, tiny ear flaps, long tapering tail. Strong, short legs with 5 clawed toes. Forelimb claws curved and sharp. Walks on sole, plantigrade. Their long, sticky tongue, no teeth is there, and long cylindrical skull. Example is pangolin or Manis crassicaudata, which is Indian pangolin. This is the image showing the pangolins or Pholidota. Primates, which includes monkeys, apes, and humans. Their key feature: their body is hairy except palm, sole, and fish part. They have short neck and flexible hind limbs, longer than forelimbs. Their digits are with flat nails. Their thumb and big toe can oppose other fingers. Their walk is plantigrade mode. They usually have a tail, 2 chest nipples are there. Brain is large and advanced. Eyes face forward, so they have good 3D vision. They have fewer teeth, skull well developed, and foramen magnum faces down. So examples include humans, monkeys, apes, Homo sapiens, gorilla, macaca, langur, gibbon, orangutan, chimpanzee, lemur, etc. Now the second order is glides, which include teeth adapted for gnawing, which includes Rodentia and Lagomorpha, or rodents and Lagomorpha. The rodents have soft, hairy body. They have small eyes and big ears. Forelimbs are smaller than hind limbs. Plantigrade walking. 1 pair of large chisel-like incisor, both in upper and lower jaw. No canine. teeth is there. There is a gap or diastema between front and back teeth. They breed quickly. Example: rat, squirrel, mouse, porcupine, guinea pig, beaver, hamster, ground squirrel, etc. The second order of the cohort Glides is the Lagomorpha, which includes hares and rabbits. Their soft, hairy body, big eyes and long ears. Their hind limbs longer than forelimbs. Two pairs of upper incisors, one behind the other, is absent. So there is no canine, so the gap is called as diastema. They have short tail. Examples include rabbit, hare, pica, etc. The third cohort is the Mutica, which includes aquatic mammals like whales, dolphins, etc. Order Cetacea have the key characteristics like their fully aquatic, smooth body but no hair, no external ears or no nails. Forelimbs they have flippers, no hind limbs are there. Tail they have horizontal fin or fluke. Dorsal fin are fleshy, they have thick flat layer which is called as blubber. Strong lungs, they have big brain but weak smell. One large baby at a time. Example: dolphin, blue whale, sperm whale, porpoise, etc. Pharyngulata. This is the last or fourth cohort, which includes carnivores and hoofed mammals. Superorder Fairy, order Carnivora, which are the meat eater. Order Carnivora includes the character show sharp claws like retractile in cats, walks on toes like digitigrade or on soles or plantigrade. Smart hunters with sharp senses. They have short intestine. They have well developed brain, strong skull, big canine, last upper premolar and first lower molar is called as carnassial teeth, which are used for cutting flesh. Teeth are used in scrotum and abdominal nipples. Example: dog, fox, wolf, bear, panda, cat, lion, tiger, leopard, mongoose, civet, seal, walrus, sea lion, hyena, etc. The second superorder is the Protangulata, which is the early hoofed mammals, and herbivores walk on toes, or Anguiculata. It includes one order, Tibulidentata or aardvark, which the key characters are the dull grey skin with sparse hair. They have long snout and long ears, strong legs with claws, 4 toes in front and 5 toes hind, long sticky tongue. Their teeth, no incisor and canine. Cheek teeth are tube-like. They eat ants and termites. Example: Orycteropus or aardvark. Superorder Penangulata, which is near hoofed animals, all herbivores, limbs strong, nails instead of true hoofs. They include 3 different orders: Hyraxes, elephants and sea cows. The order Hyracoidea, which includes Hyraxes. The key characters are rabbit-like, short tail and ears. They walk on plantigrade mode. The upper incisors are long and large and curved. Lower incisors are comb-like. Cheek teeth are used for grinding. Examples: Procavia or Hyrax. Order Proboscidea or elephants. Key character: largest land mammals, thick skin, few hairs, long trunk, nose and upper lip, long tusk, upper incisor, pillar-like legs with hooves, big molars for grinding, long gestation period, which is 22 months for one baby. Example: Elephas, which is Asian elephant, and Loxodonta is the African elephant. Order Sirenia, which is also known as sea cow. They are aquatic and herbivores. They have streamlined body, thick blubber, no hind limbs, forelimbs or flipper. So they have tail-like puddle. They have small eyes and no ears. They have front teeth gone, which horny pads instead. Examples include dugong, manatee, etc. Superorder Meshaxonia, which is the odd-toed ungulates. Main weight depends on third digit. Order it includes order Perissodactyla, like which includes horses, rhinos, tapirs, etc. The key characters are large and plant-eating mammals or Pharyngulata. They have long face and neck. They have 1 or 3 toes with hooves. Middle toes are the strongest. They have simplest stomach. Digestion is in cecum. Their big grinding molars. Examples include horse, zebra, tapir, and rhinoceros. Superorder Paraxonia, it is called as even-toed ungulates. Their body weight depends on third and fourth digit. The order includes Archaeodactyla, which includes deer, cattle, pigs, camels, etc. So their key characters include neck long, small tail, horns on head often, walk on hoofed toes, they're called digitigrade. Stomach is complex and multi-chambered, especially ruminants. Their lower incisors are only, so upper jaw has hard gum. Example: pig, hippo, camel, deer, giraffe, goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, etc. So what we have learned today, mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates with hair or fur and mammary glands to feed their youngs. They breathe with lungs and have a four-chambered heart. Based on features, it's like skulls and teeth. There is a classified. There are classified into various groups. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more easy lessons. Keep revising and stay curious. See you in the next class. Thank you.